guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another marker drawing. Today, I'm coloring my fave cartoon with a new set of pastel markers. It's a 48 color set, just like my other one. I'm super excited to try this out. If you missed my unboxing, the link is up there. Let's get started.
꿀먹게 모퉁이에 baby bird and mama bird 아련히 봤지만 but baby I loved you better than I 누군가에겐 하지 않아 끝없이 스스로 You've got this 다시 털고 일어나 그게 너야 Oh you're beautiful, you're amazing, you're everything you need, yeah 기타를 치며 따르라 노래하는 나의 꿈 그 누가 뭐라고 이뤄낸 나의 꿈 Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green.
Thank you for watching and supporting me. If you found this video inspiring, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.